If your Temu coupon code isn't working, you're definitely not the only one. A lot of people try entering a code, and either it says invalid or it looks applied, but the price doesn't change. So in this video, I'll explain why your Temu coupon code might not work and how to fix it. Before we start, I've placed the latest working Temu coupon code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates this one later. Now let's break down the most common reasons. Reason number 1, the code was never activated. One of the biggest mistakes people make is this. They open Temu normally, add items to the cart, then try entering a coupon code at checkout. But many Temu coupons need to be activated before you start shopping. That's why I recommend clicking the first link in the description first. This attaches the promotion to your account session. Without that step, the code may appear invalid even if it's still active. Reason number 2, your cart doesn't meet the requirements. Some coupons only work if your cart meets certain conditions. For example, minimum order value, specific product categories, new user promotions, limited time campaigns. If your order doesn't meet those conditions, the coupon won't apply. That doesn't mean the code is fake. It just means the requirements weren't met. Reason number 3, the code expired. Temu rotates coupon codes frequently. Sometimes a code that worked last week suddenly stops working. That's why I keep updated codes in the description, so you can try the newest ones instead of outdated ones. Reason number 4, you didn't select the coupon. Even if the coupon is active in your account, Temu sometimes requires you to select it manually at checkout. So before paying, tap Available Coupons. Choose the one you activated, apply it. Once you do that, the discount should appear on your total. Reason number 5, region or account differences. Temu promotions are not always the same for everyone. Different users may see different coupons depending on region, account age, campaign availability, purchase history, so a code that works for one user might not work for another. The best way to make it work. Instead of guessing random codes, follow this order. 1. Use the link in the description first. 2. Log into your Temu account. 3. Check your coupon wallet. 4. Add eligible items. 5. Select the coupon at checkout. That gives the highest chance of the code applying properly. Final tip. Temu coupon codes do work, but they depend on activation, eligibility, and timing. If the first code doesn't apply, try one of the updated codes in the description. And if it worked for you, comment how much you saved. I always like seeing the results.